Hello, today we are going to see the Excel basics. If you are a learner or if you want to learn Excel, you must know these things. So I have written some topics and I will cover them all. So let's go and see one by one. So you can see this is a total workbook and this is the worksheet. I will come later. So from start I can show you what is told everything. So this is the quick access toolbar. So the commands you need, you can keep it here, like this is save, this is undo, and all other things. For example, if you want to add any other commands, you can, for example, this board, if you want to take it to quick access toolbar, you just need to right click and press like this, add to quick access toolbar. So this one is added. So if you want to bold these things, you just need to press here. That means you don't need to find from this ribbon. So you can add this in the quick access toolbar. If you want to remove, just right button, then you can remove this quick access toolbar from this quick access toolbar. So this is removed. And these are the tabs, insert, draw, page layout. These are the tabs, and under every tab there is a ribbon. These are the commands and everything. Under home tab you can see all the commands and groups. So you can work with this. So if you want to hide this ribbon, so what you need to do, you just double click on this tab. Again double click on this tab, it will be shown. Another way you can hide using this one. This is hidden now. If you want to show again, just you need to go there and show tabs and commands. So again here you can see. So this way you can work with this, and this is called the name box. Name box means, for example, if you put your cursor here, this is the cell selected. That means first you will see the column B and this row 1. So this is name box B1. So if you put here, it will be B2, like this. If you put here, column is A, row is 2, so it will be A2, like this. I hope you understand. And this is the formula bar. Formula bar, whatever the formula you write, it shows here. For example, if you write a formula here, I write a formula for sum. If you select this one and press enter, so you get the sum, and you have written a formula here. You can see that the formula bar, and you can see the formula here. You can make it bigger or smaller, so you can do it. So I hope you understand this part also. Now what you need to know, this is the cell you understand. Now if you want to select a few cells, you can select, and it is called zoom. It is called this range. And now you have to, we have seen these things, formula bar, zoom. Now how we can do it? This is the zoom. You can increase or you can decrease. So this is the zoom. So I keep it 100%. And total, it is called the workbook. That means here all the sheets here and together as a file, this is called workbook. So difference between workbook and worksheets is like this. The total thing, entire thing as a file is workbook, and all the sheets, these are the sheet, this is another sheet, this is are the sheets. So these are the sheets are given here. So if you want to go from these sheets to these sheets, you just need to go this way, left side, this is right side, and there are many sheets here. If you want to see everything, so just right button here, and you can see all the sheets here. Like if you want to go to Excel layout, you just select this one and press OK. So you go to Excel layout. So again, if you want to come to Excel basics, so just select this one and you press OK. So now Excel basics. So I hope you easily understand. And data entry, you can put the data here, and this data I put like this for data entry and all other things. And if you select these things, this 5 for example, you automatically get some information like average of these 5 numbers, count, this is 5 cells, and sum, the total you get. And how we can save this one? What you need to do, you need to go to this file, then you need to do save as. So where you want to save this thing, this desktop, you can rename Excel workbook and save, so you can easily save it as well. So these are the basic things you must know before starting your Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching.